Hello dear knitters, this is the first lesson about interlock knitting. In this lesson I will explain you what is interlock knitting, which parts it consisting, and we will work first row. So interlock is a knitting method which consists in 4 different row types. The first triangle row. Then there is a row with left inclined squares. Then there is a row with right inclined squares, and the last row, triangle row, in which we cast off all stitches. I will work on each element. I will work on 7 stitches. That's why I have already casted on 14 stitches to have 2 elements. And knitted first row, because I will start my interlock knitting on wrong side. Then I slip first stitch knitwise on right side and purlwise on wrong side. I think that doing in such a way each element will look better. So let's start. We start each element from 2 stitches. As I have told, I slip first stitch purlwise and pull second stitch. Then I turn my work. Now on right side I slip first stitch knitwise like this and knit second stitch and turn again my work. Again I slip purlwise first stitch and pull 2 next stitches, turn my work, slip knitwise first stitch and knit 2 next stitches. Okay. As you see, in each row, odd row, I add 1 more stitch. Now there are 4. Now I slip first stitch knitwise and knit next 3 stitches. Turn my work, slip first stitch purlwise and pull 4 stitches. As I have told, I add 1 more stitch in each odd row on wrong side. Okay, I slip again first stitch, and now I need to pull 5 stitches. So in work there are 6 stitches. Okay, I turn my work, slip first stitch and knit to end. So first element it almost finished. In this row I just add last stitch of this element. Okay. Okay, now there are 7. I slip first stitch. As you can see, there are 7 and our triangle is almost finished, but I will work other 2 rows because I need to finish first element on right side, and then I need to turn back to continue my to make another element. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So as you see, first triangle element is finished. Now yes, it's not easy to see, but later you will see that it's a triangle. Okay, let's form second element, because I have other 7 stitches here. Again I start as before with 2 purl stitches, and in first row I purl first stitch and purl second stitch too. Then I turn my work, slip first stitch knitwise and knit second stitch. Slip first stitch purlwise and purl 2 other stitches. Now there are 3 stitches in work. Slip first stitch and knit 2 stitches. Turn my work, slip purlwise first stitch and purl 3 stitches. So now I have 4 stitches in work. Turn my work, slip first stitch knitwise and knit 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Turn my work, slip first stitch and add 1 more stitch. Now there are 5 stitches in work. Okay, I turn my work, slip first stitch and knit 4 other stitches. 2, 3 and 4. Turn my work, slip first stitch and purl 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Turn my work, slip first stitch knitwise and knit to end. Okay, turn my work, slip first stitch purlwise and purl other stitches to end of row. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now we have all 7 stitches in work, and I need to work other 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So second element is almost finished too. Now we slip first stitch and purl 6 stitches to end of row. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so as you see, we have finished first interlock row. We have 2 triangle elements, and each element consists in 7 stitches. Is worked on 7 stitches in stockinette stitch. As you see, the technique is not very difficult. There is only one problem, that you need to turn your work frequently, but at the beginning it's a bit difficult, yes, but after 2-3 rows you will be able to work in Entrelac, and I'm sure that you will not face difficulties later. So thank you for your attention. See you in next lesson about Entrelac, in which we will work a second row, which consists in 3 different elements, and the main element is left inclined squares. Best wishes and see you next time. Bye bye bye.